Hi guys, welcome back to Hood Trends Guides. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys 3 special applications that can help you make money online chatting to lonely people. These applications are very good, like it works anywhere around the world. They pay for as low as $100. You can be making up to $100 in a day. I just advise you watch this video to the very end in order to get these 3 sites. Some of them have applications but some don't have, so I advise you watch the video to the very end to get every tips and details, because these applications have been helping me, like have earned a lot of money through these applications. So I thought it wise to share it to you guys. So let's move into the tips of this on how to make money with these applications. The first one is the Rent a Cyber Friend. Rent a Cyber Friend. As you can see, this is the site. The address is www.rentacyberfriend.com. With this application you can get paid for as high as $100 in a day. As you can see, this application now get the most out of Rent a Cyber Friend. You can make money just by making video calls with lonely people online. Like, let me show you how this application works. Once you register, you set your plan. You can make calls, like you can receive calls from lonely people and you get paid for it. That's just how this application works. Rent a Cyber Friend. It's private. Look at how you earn per minute. As you can see, connect for as low as $0.1 per minute. Every first minute is for free. Fast and secure. Pay securely and tips your favorite friends. So if you want to register with this site, you just click on get started. You start registering. So let me still show you some things about this Rent a Cyber Friend. Rentacyberfriend.com is a social platform based on the concept of pen pal, but updated for today's digital world. This platform allows you to connect with cyber friends globally based on your interests. So how this work is, if you want to search for friends, like if you want people to be searching for you, you have to put the interest on, like you have to make your interest on what you like talking best. Like if you like talking about sports, you put your interest with hashtag sports. That's on your profile. If you love talking about relationship, you put it hashtag relationship. If it's politics, you put hashtag politics. So people who are interested in such topic can easily find you and call you, and once they call you, you start making money from their call depending on how long you guys discuss. So if you want to make huge money, try to make sure the topic, the interest you are putting on your profile is the interest you love discussing best on, so that it will help make your call to last long. That way you make more money from this particular site, Rent a Cyber Friend. So guys, that is it. Let me now take you guys to the number 2 site that can help you make money online. This is the second site that can help you make money online, and it's called Texting Factory. Texting Factory helps you make money online, and it's very easy. As you can see, become a chat operator today. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 weekly is only minutes away. The application takes only a few minutes, and we are always in need of chat operators on our team. So if you want to register, you click on the apply now. As you can see, you can be making up to $300 weekly, depending on how consistent you are, like how often you visit the site, how often you work. You can work anywhere, you can work from home, you can work from anywhere. So the job as a tax chat operator, you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customers want. Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life. Small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns about 300 to 400 US dollar a week. This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go extra mile. We supply bonuses when you write a lot of messages and extra extension on weekends and red days. As you can see, you can be making up to 300 to 400 dollars weekly, and you can even earn more than that if you can go extra mile by working more harder. And you will be anonymous to this site. Like, the person you are chatting with won't get your identity. Like, you anonymous chat only. There's no video call on this particular one, no calling. Your work time, you work anywhere and as such as you want. There's no qualification necessary, and they have 24/7 support available. So if you want to register with this app, with this site, as you can see, you enter your first name, your last name, and the email. Then you write the motivation, your motivation for applying for this job. I want to advise you guys, when registering, in this aspect, don't put you want to earn money, that's why you're applying for this job. Don't put something like that. Try to write a nice write-up that can help you gain more, that can help you gain acceptance into the platform. Don't just write, I want to earn money from the platform, I want to start chatting and earning money. So just write something nice and click on the I agree terms and conditions, and make sure you are above, and make sure you are at least 18 years old and above, and you tick on it. Then you click on apply. That way your registration process will commence. So that is how to earn money from this site called Texting Factory. I have been earning money from this site legitimately, and it has been very, very good for me. So I advise you guys to check out this site. Check out this site. It is a very good site. Now let me take you guys to the number 3 site that you can earn money online legitimately. The number 3 site, which is called Chat Recruit, and with the world's #1 service for adult and fish chick chat hosts, and get a $10 bonus on your first payday. You can see you can get a $10 bonus on your first payday. If you want to get started with this app, with this site, you click on start earning and you start the process. Why choose Chat Recruit? You don't need to have experience before going into this platform. All you need is good internet connection and a love of chatting. There's no joining fee in this platform. Just register for free and you could start making money the same day. Earn on your own terms. Earn at home or on the go whenever suits you, and get a $10 bonus on your first payday. So as you can see, you can earn anywhere. You can earn at home, you can be working and earning, you can be moving on the street and earning. So once you register on your first payday, you'll be earning bonus of $10. So if you want to register, if you want to join this platform, you click on the register now. As you can see, they have paid over $30 million paid out to chat hosts. See what they say, see what reviews, what other people are reviewing about this site. As you can see from this one, I have made well over $100,000 every year for the past 4 years with Chat Recruit. It's great to make such much money doing something I love. You can see this one, I have so much fun performing for customers. It doesn't even feel like work. Since I joined, I have been able to rely on the regular high income. So as you can see, these are some of the reviews from the operators of Chat Recruit. So I advise you join this platform and start earning on your own. This platform can help you if you're a student. It can help you if you are a jobless, if you are someone who just lost his or her job, if you are a widow and you need some form of income to support whatsoever you are doing. I advise you check these 3 sites out and start earning. So guys, that is it on today's video. I wish you guys good luck as you earn from this platform. I'll see you guys in my next video.